When entering middle age, the human body begins to undergo significant changes that we sometimes do not immediately notice. The energy metabolism slows down, tissues and joints are prone to degeneration, and resistance decreases, increasing the risk of chronic diseases. One of the most silent but dangerous factors is chronic inflammation. Unlike acute inflammation, which usually lasts only a few days with clear symptoms, such as swelling, redness, and pain, chronic inflammation occurs quietly in the body and can last for months or even years without us realizing it. This inflammatory process is the foundation for a series of dangerous diseases such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, osteoarthritis, obesity, and even cancer. Modern science has proven that diet plays an extremely important role in controlling and reducing inflammation. While processed foods, fast food, repeatedly fried oils, and refined sugar contribute to adding fuel to the fire, natural anti-inflammatory foods help the body extinguish the fire from within, soothe pain symptoms, promote the recovery process, and improve overall health. Especially for middle-aged people, incorporating these foods into the daily menu is a smart strategy for long-term health protection. Today, we will explore 4 golden anti-inflammatory foods recommended by experts for middle-aged people: turmeric, ginger, avocado, and olive oil. Let's start with turmeric, the gold in the field of anti-inflammation. Turmeric is not only a familiar spice in Vietnamese kitchens, but is also considered a miracle drug in traditional Indian, Ayurveda, and Chinese medicine. The secret lies in the active compound curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that can inhibit many molecules causing inflammation in the body, especially NF-κB, an important switch that triggers the inflammatory response. Many clinical studies have shown that curcumin is as effective as some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, but causes fewer side effects on the stomach, a common issue among the elderly when using Western medicine long-term. For middle-aged people, turmeric offers many specific benefits. First is its ability to reduce joint pain and arthritis. Trials have shown that curcumin significantly improves stiffness and pain in people with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. This is very important because osteoarthritis is one of the biggest concerns in middle age, directly affecting mobility and quality of life. Not only that, curcumin is also good for the cardiovascular system. Chronic inflammation is the leading risk factor for atherosclerosis, which can lead to complications such as heart attacks or strokes. Turmeric helps protect blood vessel walls, improve blood circulation, and limit the formation of atherosclerotic plaques. In addition, turmeric has long been used to support digestion, treat stomach pain, indigestion, and help the liver function more effectively. To use turmeric effectively, you can add a little turmeric powder to curries, soups, or bone stews. An important tip is to combine turmeric with black pepper, as the piperine in black pepper helps increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Additionally, turmeric honey water taken in the morning is also a great choice to detoxify the body and start the day gently and healthily. Switch to ginger, a natural antibiotic that reduces inflammation. Ginger is not only a familiar spice in many Vietnamese dishes, but also a leading anti-inflammatory herb recognized worldwide. The main component in ginger is gingerol, a compound that can inhibit enzymes that cause inflammation, such as COX-2, while also reducing the production of cytokines, substances that mediate swelling and pain. What is special is that ginger both fights inflammation and helps boost immunity, which is very useful for middle-aged people when the immune system begins to decline. For the elderly, ginger helps reduce joint pain, especially in the knees, areas prone to degeneration and causing difficulty in movement. Ginger also supports the digestive system, reducing feelings of nausea, bloating, and indigestion. During cold seasons, a cup of warm ginger tea can help warm the stomach, improve blood circulation, and dispel feelings of fatigue. The uses of ginger are very diverse. You can drink ginger tea in the morning to improve circulation and reduce fatigue. Ginger can also be used in braised or stir-fried dishes to both enhance flavor and benefit health. Additionally, soaking your feet with crushed fresh ginger boiled in warm water helps improve blood circulation and relieve muscle pain, a simple but extremely effective traditional method. Next is the avocado, a storehouse of good fats that fight inflammation. Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit, especially high in monounsaturated fats, such as oleic acid, a component with strong anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, avocado contains many vitamins E, vitamin C, carotenoids, and potassium, all of which help the body fight oxidative stress and slow down the aging process. For middle-aged people, avocados provide many clear health benefits. The good fats in avocados help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, protecting the cardiovascular system from the risk of atherosclerosis. Vitamin E and fatty acids in avocados also help protect nerve cells and slow down memory decline, a common issue in middle age. Notably, some studies indicate that extracts from avocados combined with soybeans can reduce arthritis symptoms. You can use avocado in smoothies, but you should limit sugar and condensed milk to keep the dish healthy. Avocado salad combined with olive oil is a perfect choice for anti-inflammation. Additionally, spreading avocado on whole wheat bread instead of animal butter is also a great way to add good fats to your daily diet. Finally, there is olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean. Extra virgin olive oil is famous in the Mediterranean diet, which is considered one of the healthiest diets. A special component in olive oil is oleocanthal, a compound that has anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen, but is safer and does not cause side effects on the stomach. For middle-aged people, olive oil helps protect the cardiovascular system, reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, and lower blood pressure. Additionally, olive oil has strong antioxidant properties, prevents premature aging, and is very good for the skin. Some studies also show that people who regularly use olive oil have a lower rate of joint pain compared to those who use it less. To maximize the benefits of olive oil, you should use it directly by mixing it into salads or spreading it on bread. When combining olive oil with butter and vegetables, you create a perfect clean meal to fight inflammation. Note that you should not heat olive oil at too high a temperature because it will lose its valuable antioxidants. It is best used at moderate temperatures, suitable for dressings or light cooking. So how can we reasonably incorporate these four miracle drugs into our daily diet? An ideal anti-inflammatory breakfast can be as simple as whole grain bread spread with mashed butter, drizzled with a little olive oil on top, combined with a warm ginger tea to start the day full of energy. For lunch, choose a fresh vegetable salad combined with avocado and olive oil, plus a bowl of chicken stew with turmeric for both deliciousness and nutrition. A light dinner could be pan-seared salmon with turmeric ginger sauce, served with steamed vegetables drizzled with olive oil, helping the body feel light yet well-nourished. In addition to supplementing anti-inflammatory foods, middle-aged people also need to pay attention to some important principles to effectively and comprehensively control inflammation. First, eat a diverse diet. Do not focus on just one type of food, but combine many different foods to ensure sufficient nutrients for the body. Maintaining a reasonable weight is a key factor, as obesity increases inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise with gentle activities such as walking, yoga, and swimming helps reduce inflammation naturally, while strengthening bone, joint, and cardiovascular health. Don't forget to get enough sleep, as lack of sleep increases inflammation-causing hormones, negatively affecting overall health. Finally, limit inflammatory foods such as refined sugar, fast food, and fried foods to protect the body from potential risks. Middle-aged people often face many health risks related to chronic inflammation. But the good news is that we can completely take proactive measures to prevent and control this process through smart eating habits. By incorporating turmeric, ginger, avocado, and olive oil into your daily meals, you not only help your body fight inflammation naturally, but also improve cardiovascular health, bone and joint health, brain function, and slow down the aging process. This is not simply about choosing foods, but an investment in a healthy, peaceful middle age, living happily and fully every day. Remember, anti-inflammation is not just about treating illness, but a journey of caring for and loving yourself. When you give proper attention to your health, your body will respond with resilience, a positive spirit, and a heart full of energy. That is the greatest gift you can give to yourself and your loved ones in your family. And if there is anything that still makes you wonder about how to use turmeric, ginger, butter, olive oil, or about building an anti-inflammatory diet, always listen to your body, try new dishes, thoroughly research information from reliable sources, and consult a nutrition expert when necessary. Health is the most precious asset of each person, especially as middle age approaches. Cherish, care for, and protect it every day with smart and loving choices. Starting from today, let artichoke, ginger, avocado, and olive oil be present in your kitchen. Every meal is not only an opportunity to enjoy flavors, but also a chance to nurture your health, reduce the risk of chronic inflammation, and live happily and healthily with your family and friends. That is the true meaning of a natural anti-inflammatory diet for middle-aged people. Let's strive together for a healthy, peaceful, and vibrant middle age, starting with small changes in our daily diet.